Myself, Dr. S.Y. Jadhav, Associate Professor, Department of Chemistry, DBF Dayanand College of Arts and Science, Solapur. Today I am going to be discussing here about one of the very important name reaction from the addition type of reaction, that is Michael addition reaction. Next. So in these reactions we are going to be studying where first of all introduction, then definition of Michael reaction, substrates which are going to be used for the reaction, then reagents, bases used for the reaction, then particular reaction and mechanism of the Michael reaction, and finally we will go for the application of Michael addition reaction. So let us see first of all introduction of this reaction. So Michael reaction was first of all discovered by Arthur Michael in 1887. Michael reaction is a type of nucleophilic addition reaction. This reaction involves the addition of inlet of ketone or aldehyde to alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds at the beta carbon of the substrate. Normally in this reaction, substrate bearing electron withdrawing substituents are used. In this reaction, the intermediate carbon is going to be formed, and the role of electron withdrawing substituent is to nothing but stabilize the intermediate carbanion form. Next. So let us see what is Michael reaction. Let us see the definition first of all. Conjugated addition of inlet ion to alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is nothing but called Michael addition reaction. This reaction belongs to the large class of conjugated addition. In general, you can see here the reactant, that is alpha beta unsaturated ketones reacting with active methylene group in presence of some bases just gives addition product. So during this reaction, addition product is going to be formed. So let us see what are the substrates used for this reaction. The substrates which are going to be used for these reactions are the compound which containing activated carbon-carbon double bond. So that is, we can have with respect to carbonyl group, carbon-carbon double bond is must. That is, we are having some list of substrates, alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds. Then we can have some unsaturated esters, phenones, and alpha beta unsaturated nitro compounds, etc. Then let us see some reagents for this reaction. So normally the reagents for these reactions are having at least one acidic hydrogen, means they are nothing but to be called active methylene compounds. Okay, so what are these active methylene compounds? So normally nitroalkanes, sulfones, cyanides, alcohols, etc. Next. The bases used for these reactions are alkoxide ion, hydroxide ion, some piperidine, some primary amines, secondary amines, so far. Next. So this is the one of the reaction for the Michael addition reaction. So in the reaction, the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound is reacting with active methylene compound, that is diethyl malonate, in presence of base just gives addition product. And here addition of this whole active methylene compound is going to be adding on beta carbon, and whatever proton abstracted by the base is going to be adding on alpha carbon of the reactant, and it gives saturated product, that is addition product. So let us see the mechanism for this reaction, and the mechanism involves in 3 steps. The first step, in the first step, the base abstract proton from the active methylene compound and just forming the carbanion as the intermediate. So you see in the reaction, base is using, so you can use any kind of base whatever I am listed in above base list, and this base abstracting proton and just forming carbanion as the intermediate. Next. In second step, the whatever carbanion intermediate is forming, that is going to be attacking on the alpha beta unsaturated compound, and it just attack on beta carbon atom. Then double bond is shifted to the next carbon-carbon bond, and there will be formation of inolate ion. Next. This inolate ion again going to be simplified and gives carbanion, and that is nothing but to be carbon minus at the alpha carbon. Next. So this inolate ion in the final step is going to be just protonated by the acid and gives addition product that is called 1,2 product. 1,2 product is nothing but whatever moiety of the active methylene group is going to be adding on beta carbon atom and proton adding on alpha carbon atom, it gives 1,2 addition. This can also undergoes tautomerism, and you can have 1,4 addition product also, where you can have enol, and in 1,2 addition you can have ketone. So 1,4 addition is little bit unstable as compared to 1,2 addition product. So more stable is 1,2 addition product. Yes. Next. So these are some applications of the Michael addition reactions. You can have variety of the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compound you can take. You can have again active methylene compound, n number of active methylene compound you can take. You can have variety of the bases, mostly using piperidine, ethoxide and so far you can have, and you will be getting 1,2 addition product in simple way. So in first benzyl acetophenone is the reactant. In second case ethyl cinnamate is the reactant. Okay, next. In third one, ethyl crotonate react with ethyl methyl malonate in presence of base, again gives 1,2 addition product. And in the last product, ethyl alpha methyl acrylate reacting with ethyl cyanoacetate in presence of base also gives 1,2 addition product. So in all active methylene compound, the whatever CH2 group or CH group is there, that can be flanked by electron withdrawing group, because due to electron withdrawing group, whatever CH2 group is there, that becomes acidic, and due to acidic, the whatever base you are using, that simply abstract and generating the carbanion, and once carbanion is generating in all the reactions, always they attack on the beta carbon of the alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl compounds, and they just gives 1,2 addition product. So this is very important reaction as per concern to the industry, medicinal product or different kind of industrial products and so forth. Thank you.